In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to promote your affiliate links in the easiest way possible. But before we get started, if you are new to affiliate marketing, it is a type of online marketing where some persons promotes a product or service and earns a commission from every sale they have generated. For example, let's say you signed up to become an affiliate for a company that sells supplements. The company will give you a unique link to their website that you can share with your friends, family, and anyone else who might be interested in buying supplement. When someone clicks on this unique link and makes a purchase on the company's website, you will get a commission instantly on that sale. The amount of commission you can earn actually varies, but mostly it is already predetermined by the owners of the product. The company that owns the supplement that you're promoting might offer a flat rate commission for every sale or percentage-based commission. Affiliate marketing is arguably one of the best ways to actually make money online. And in this affiliate marketing tutorial, I'm going to be showing you 6 different ways to promote your affiliate link so that you too can start making money online. But before we actually get into showing you how to promote your affiliate links, I think the first thing you need to do is actually find the product that you want to promote, set up an account on that platform, and copy the affiliate link. So here is how you can actually get your affiliate link, but you need to decide which product you want to promote. Okay, so there are a few recommendations that I'm going to actually sharing with you as we proceed. So it's important that you stay with me at the end. I will randomly pick a product and show you exactly how to promote it before I get to show you exactly how to find the right product to promote. So for this tutorial, we'll go with this website. It's called play.ht. It's more of a text-to-speech program. As you can see, the products include AI voice cloning, text-to-speech, voice cloning and all. You can use this tool for your faceless YouTube videos, TikTok videos, Instagram videos and all. To start promoting this offer, just scroll down to the footer to see a link to the affiliate program. And you will be brought up to this interface where you get to learn more about their affiliate program. And this is how you are going to make money as a partner with play.ht. Once you click on the Become an Affiliate button, you will be required to fill out some basic information, and then you will be given access to your dashboard where you get to see your affiliate link. So there is my link, and you can actually create a new affiliate link right here. Whichever you prefer is fine. So now that you have your affiliate link, your next question should be, how do you promote the offer? And this brings us to the first website where you can actually promote our affiliate links, and that website is called Quora.com. So you can use Quora to promote your affiliate link in 2 ways. The first is by writing an article based on frequently asked questions or popular questions, so to speak. And Quora will spread it to people who are interested in the topic. Plus, your article will also rank on Google, which will lead to a lot of traffic to your article. And when someone reads your article and then clicks on your affiliate link and makes any purchase, you will get some commission. Now, the second method is answering questions right here on Quora. All you need to do is come over here and type in the related topic. For example, what is the best text-to-speech software? And there you go. Now, this is about 98 followers for this particular question, which means that for any answer that you drop, all 98 followers will be notified. Now, who are the people searching for this particular product? Well, these are people who are interested in using AI for voiceover and other related use. And of course, this particular product seems to be the best fit. So there are 98 potential people who are going to actually read your comment. Click on your link and probably subscribe to play.ht. So we need to answer this question by hitting answer, but I'm not going to be writing that answer. I'm going to be using an AI tool called ChatGPT to respond to this. Now watch exactly what I'm going to do. All you need to do is set up an account for ChatGPT, which is free to use, and this will be my prompt. I'll leave this prompt in the description box. And there you go. So you have your article written with ease. That's how easy it is. You can do this for any product at all. Let's say, for instance, that you are promoting a weight loss program. You can come here and search for what is the fastest way to get rid of fat. And you have a product that you're promoting, which is about losing weight or getting abs or stuff like that. So these are questions you can respond to, and to even make your article look very professional, you can add images. I have a detailed video tutorial where I show you exactly how to use Quora for affiliate marketing. I suggest you go see the video, plus the link will be in the description box. The next websites that we can use to promote our affiliate link is a website called medium.com. So the most common mistake a lot of persons make is that they actually go to Medium solely to promote their affiliate links and spam the content with links. You have to learn to give value and answer all burning questions that a potential buyer will probably ask. Plus, learn to make your article detailed. And guess what? ChatGPT can actually do these things for you easily. So all you have to do is write a comprehensive article about the said topic. Then sign up for a Medium account, log in, and you will be brought up to this interface where you get to paste in your content. And all you need to do is add all necessary images. Then you add like 2 to 3 links within your article. And most importantly, you should have a disclaimer. In that way, you aren't going against medium.com policy. If you look over here, this is how much traffic medium.com get monthly, which is quite a lot. And when you give value to readers and you post often, Medium will always suggest your post to their audience even via email. So because I sign up for Medium newsletter, I'm always getting newly published article for real-time publisher who gives value. And here are 3 reasons why you want to publish on medium.com. 1, your post is 85% likely to rank on Google, and whatever you post on medium.com remain there permanently. And secondly, Medium does notify their audience about newly published posts based on their interests via email, which will lead to great engagement on your posts. And this is how you get to make easy money on affiliate marketing. Lastly, as a beginner with no experience, leveraging on medium.com can help you make your first $1,000, after which you can scale up. The next method with which you can actually promote your affiliate link and make sales easily is with blogging. For some beginners, blogging can be daunting, but in the real sense, blogging is quite easy if done the right way. Plus, you can generate lifetime revenue. If you come to Google right now and type how to start a blog, you're going to be seeing all of this showing up right here. These are the blog ranking for this long tail keyword, and I will randomly click on any to show you how it works. This is Neil Patel's blog. His has written a thorough article on how to start a blog, and all of these links here are his affiliate links, which includes a Bluehost affiliate program, a WordPress theme and all. And if you click on any of this link and make purchase, Neil Patel will be getting some commission. So having a blog is the most reliable free traffic source for any affiliate marketer. And I have already made a video on how to start a blog. There are several benefits to having a blog, but the most outstanding benefit is having a website or blog. As an affiliate marketer, you will be able to join any affiliate program of your choice because most top affiliate program will require a website before. You will be given access to their platform, and this is the exact way to promote your affiliate link effectively. Now, this brings us to the 4th way to promote your affiliate link, which is using YouTube. YouTube is an amazing platform. As a matter of fact, it is the 2nd biggest search engine in the world. And I've actually made a lot of money using YouTube for affiliate marketing. So if you come to YouTube right here and you search for, let's say, best voice cloning software, you will see that there are people who have actually made videos about this. There are a lot of videos suggesting the best voice cloning app. And when you click on any of these videos, then scroll down to the description box to see links to the mentioned software. When you click on the link and make any purchase, this guy will be getting some commission. And making a YouTube video is the easier way to make money with affiliate marketing. And you can opt for a faceless YouTube channel if you don't want to show your face, which is equally okay. The main thing is to ensure that you are adding value, and this is how people will get to follow you and trust your product reviews. The 3rd website to promote your affiliate link is Google News. There is certain information that you rarely hear online because it is perceived to be a secret strategy. But I chose to share this with you because as a beginner, I understand that affiliate marketing can be daunting. Using Google News can help you reach new audiences and attract avid news readers to your site and articles published on Google News. Plus, it gets spread across all Google products, which can potentially increase your engagement. I'm trying to keep this video tutorial super short while providing value. Okay, so to get started with Google News, you will come over there and follow the prompt. And for easy access, I will leave this page link in my description box. It's pretty straightforward to get started with Google News. So we are left with one more strategy. But before then, let me know the affiliate marketing strategy you want me to explain further in my next video. I will be glad to make a tutorial about it only if I get good traction for the said affiliate marketing strategy. The last website is RSS Feed. Well, this is not common because not so many persons know about this underground strategy. If you don't submit your blog content or video content on RSS Feed, then you are missing out on a large audience, and that is throwing away money. So there are several reasons why you will want to publish your article on RSS. The first benefit is that there are several RSS feed directories that you can submit your feed to, and this will help increase the visibility of your content and drive more traffic to your website. These popular directories include FeedSpot, Blogorama, Alltop, and the like. Ultimately, your content ranks faster on the Google search engine, so to begin posting on RSS.
The first step is to create an RSS feed for your blog. Most blogging platforms such as WordPress automatically generate an RSS feed for your content. But if your platform doesn't have this feature, you can use a tool like FeedBurner to create an RSS feed. Then submit your RSS feed to directories. As a beginner, using the RSS feed might sound like a lot of hard work, but it isn't. Okay, so if you are serious about making money with affiliate marketing, these are your best chances. All of the mentioned websites are free to use, and I have also made money with affiliate marketing using these strategies. In my next affiliate marketing tutorial, we will explore how to use TikTok and Instagram to strategically promote affiliate offers in the right way. And if this interests you, please leave a comment in the comment section. This will encourage me to deliver the video tutorial ASAP. And if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Here on Christine Trends, we are all about making money online. So join the community and let's win together. I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye.